you take me, I just follow you.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Eve, and while I was away guys, I did a vacation. Yes, I really needed that break. That's why you haven't seen me for a while. So I'm back guys, I'm back. And as for the new members, kindly subscribe. Yes, that is how we do it here. Yeah, hit that red button there, you can see it, that red button, then hit the notification bell so that you'll always be notified when I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, I know you have missed me guys. I'm back guys. You'll see more. Yes, you'll see more of the videos, so keep it locked and enjoy this video. So today we are doing a smoky eye guys, as you can see. So we'll go step by step on how you can do just a simple yeah, smoky eye and still look good guys. So let's enjoy bit by bit. So guys, I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see. Yes, so I'll go straight now to the video as we do that smoky eye. So I'll start off with priming my eyelid. I'll be using this LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. So let's start.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know.
I'll take my beauty blender here, yeah, and tap in. I'll be using my Sacha buttercup, yes, to set this area. So let's do that guys.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me, I just follow.
Next I'll take this palette by Juvias. This is Magic by Juvias. I will take this shade here, this orange shade, just a little bit of it, then tap it in here. So this will be my transition color.
I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, 'cause I'm...
So now we are done with that step. So as you can see, I have that orange, it's kind of orange shade and it's not too much. So I will take now the black shade here by Sleek. So let's go ahead and tap it in. See how that black shade is pigmented guys? This is the right shade to do, yeah, to do that smoky eye. So make sure you tap it in, tap.
Be myself, I'm not about it. Let me be myself.
Then after that, because I don't want this harsh line here, we have to blend these two shades. Yeah, so let's proceed guys. So now I'll take another brush and blend that in. So guys, you can see how it's blended so well. Have you seen that? So guys, I went ahead and did the lashes off camera. You can see the look already. I love that smoky eye. It's simple, it's not exaggerated, it's just there. So I love. So we'll proceed and do the rest of the face. And now I'll be using Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I've already primed my face using this Rimmel London. So I'll just proceed and do the foundation guys. Next, I'm going to use the concealer, yeah, for my highlights. So this is Fawn. This is in the shade Fawn.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
To use a concealer, and I'm using the BH concealer palette. It comes in those shades, so I'll use this dark one here.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. Want to look my...
So we have to contour that forehead, then the nose area, then on this part here. So let's blend that contour.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So I'll go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend that again. Always make sure the patches are not seen, so you have to blend everything so well to get that flawless look.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself. I'm not a pauper. Let me be myself.
So now the next step is to bake, and to bake to finish the look, I'll be using black opal finishing powder in the shade medium, oil control formula. Yeah. So now I'm going to highlight, and for the highlight I'm going to use the J-Cut highlighter, just a little bit on my cheekbone, then onto my nose, then the lip area.
Let me be myself. I'm not a puppet. Let me be myself. Let me be myself.
For the blush, I'm using Trendy Tap powder blush.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove.
So I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray, yeah, to set that makeup. Do my under eye, so we need to finish this look with some smoky thing here and here. So let's do that, guys. And to line my under eye, I'm using Colossal Kajal from Maybelline. Using the same brush that I used on my upper part, so I'll just smoke that out. I'll use the black shade. I'll finish that with this orange color that I used on my transition, to blend that. I bought it quite a long time. It doesn't have a name, but and I'll be mixing with this Maybelline in the shade Groundbreaker. So let's do that, guys.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So guys, that was my final look. Hope you love it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, if you are new to my channel, that is. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Love you all. See you on the next one. Bye.